You've seen the headlines, right? Record-breaking heat waves, scorching cities, monstrous hurricanes, wiping out coastlines, and devastating floods, turning streets into rivers. It feels like our planet's weather is going completely haywire. But have you ever stopped to wonder if these are all just random, unlucky events, or if there's a deeper connection? What if I told you that the key to understanding this chaos is something we talk about all the time? Global warming. Let's break it down. Think of the Earth's atmosphere as a giant blanket. For thousands of years, this blanket has kept our planet at a comfortable, stable temperature. But now, due to human activities like burning fossil fuels for energy, we're pumping extra greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, into the air. This is like adding more and more layers to that blanket. The result? The planet gets warmer. This isn't just a tiny temperature shift. It's a massive injection of energy into our entire climate system. And when you add that much energy, things start to get extreme. So how does this extra heat translate into wild weather? First, let's talk heat waves. A warmer global average temperature means that extreme heat days become much more frequent and much more intense. What used to be a once-in-a-century scorcher might now happen every few years. This isn't just uncomfortable, it's dangerous, putting immense strain on our health, our power grids, and our agriculture. Then there's the water cycle. A warmer atmosphere can hold more moisture. For every degree Celsius of warming, the air can hold about 7% more water vapor. This supercharges the system. When it does rain, it's more likely to be a torrential downpour, leading to those flash floods we see on the news. It's like wringing out a much soggier sponge. But here's the flip side. In other regions, that same extra heat can bake the soil dry, leading to longer and more severe droughts. So, global warming creates a world of extremes. Wetter in some places, and much drier in others. And what about those powerful storms like hurricanes and typhoons? These storms are essentially giant heat engines that feed on warm ocean water. As global warming heats up the oceans, it provides more fuel for these storms to form, intensify, and last longer. So we're not just seeing more storms, we're seeing stronger, more destructive storms that can cause catastrophic damage when they make landfall. From raging wildfires fueled by hotter, drier conditions to the polar vortex dipping south and bringing freezing temperatures, the fingerprints of a warming climate are everywhere. These aren't separate incidents. They are all symptoms of a planet that's out of balance. Understanding this connection is the first step toward taking meaningful action. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos that break down the science behind our world. See you next time.